What's going on, guys? Decelation. Yeah, Brian.
What's up, peeps?
Today, what are we working on?
Well, I'm going to sand down this half the transmission tunnel and make it smooth, and I'm going to cover it in a layer of regular body fill just to give it a nice smooth surface, so when we put the carbon fiber on, it looks nice up by his feet where nobody's going to see it.
Exactly.
But it's a thought that counts.
I appreciate your thought, Brian. And let's see. So you remember this from last week? That was loud. So I told you I had another piece, and we're going to put the do the passenger side seat. So I'm going to use this nice little saw over here, and we're going to put a seat in there. All right. So, ready to get to work?
Yeah. You gonna bolt down the other one too, just so you can see what it looks like bolted down?
I don't want to bolt it down until we put the trans tunnel in and everything, because I want to make sure that this fits in there and the seat doesn't interfere with us being able to pull it in and pull it out. You know what I mean? Yeah. See.
And that the emergency brake handle fits.
That's on the other side. It's actually on the passenger side. Yeah, so we're gonna make sure that works too. Yeah, stay tuned. And I gotta ask, if you like this type of content, please subscribe. We're gonna keep building this truck, and yeah, stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Brian?
What's going on, peeps?
So, we got the seat brackets in. We probably should have. Did you guys figure out what was new in the shop? I hope you guys didn't figure that out. Brian, you think they figured it out?
Well, maybe.
Considering some of the video, I'm sitting under the car on a dolly.
Don't worry, folks. We did not get it from, I don't know, what's that company that makes the really crappy engine stands?
Oh, Harbor Freight.
Yeah, we did not get it from Harbor Freight.
No, this is not a Harbor Freight lift. But we do have a lift in the shop. Next video you see will be the install of this, but we figure we see how long we can get to the video before we really just revealed that we do have a lift. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. I guess we should probably drop the truck so they could see the seat brackets. I'll show you the under part. Let's see. So right here and right here for the passenger side, and same on the driver's side. So here, 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 and here. Those are the crossbars that they want the seat bracket bolted to. So, want to lift it up just a second? Yeah. All right, cool. There we go. All right, so these are the seat brackets. Got them nice installed. We actually got them tightened down too. So I don't want to bolt the seats to it yet, like I said, until we get the trans tunnel in. That way I want to make sure everything fits where I don't have to unbolt the seats to pull the transmission tunnel out. So that's kind of like a major thing. I want to be able to work on this truck with minimal hassle. So that's why they're not bolted in. Other than that, otherwise we would have bolted them in already and really would have been happy. But Brian's almost done with the trans tunnel.
Yep.
So he actually
I got one side kind of sanded, prepped so I can clean that off and get ready to glue. And this side just has a coat of regular body fill on here that I have to sand back down now. So it's all smooth. That'll cover up all the dimples and whatever else from the tiger hair. And
then we can lay carbon fiber on that.
Once it's all sanded, then it'll all look good.
Yep, and people, this is not going to be a professional carbon fiber laying. I'm going to taper your expectations now, because that's not going to happen. But it's going to be carbon fiber. There will be carbon fiber on here, and we're going to do our best to get it smooth and as good looking as we can do it based off of our capabilities. Is that right, Brian?
Yep.
All right. Well, that's going to be a wrap. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and comment down below. Peace, guys.
Take it easy, peeps.